Welcome to SMSlenz. In this quick guide, let's walk through how you can easily add contacts using CSV import. First, go to the All Contacts page. Under Contacts, you can download a sample CSV file by clicking the Download Sample CSV file. Click the Import Contacts button. Also, you can download the sample CSV file here. Prepare your contact data in a CSV file. Example, columns for phone number and name. Then, upload your CSV file and click Save. You can find the added contacts as group by clicking Contact Group page. You can add new contact by clicking here. And also, you can add new contact group by clicking here. That's it. In just a few steps, you can add contacts anytime with SMSlenz. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're always here to help. Thank you for watching and happy messaging with SMSlenz.